It's a little always, you know, when you're filing a lawsuit, it's, you know, it just has the connotation of negative. So you are afraid. The unknown is afraid. I mean, you don't want people to look at you differently. They don't want, you know, you don't want people to think, well, you're just after, you know, a certain settlement. And my name is Antonia. I'm from San Diego. I actually was involved in the slip and fall. I went to visit a friend in Fashion Valley where I happened to have worked at the time, and I went to visit him downstairs at the Carolina Herrera store, and it was close to the evening and it was kind of misty and raining, and I actually just unfortunately slipped, and it was a very bad fall. I dislocated my elbow, and I really just didn't know where to turn. I mean, I figured I just needed to get my medical needs met first, and I was kind of lost for a little bit until my brother said, you know, you fell in the mall, and he's like, I think you should, you know, get some representation and maybe talk to someone. And I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. I just wanted to get well. I wanted to get back to work, and he was the one that recommended for me to get an attorney. It was a first-time experience. It never crossed my mind. I never thought, I mean, I thought, oh, you know, they're gonna just say, well, it was your fault. You know, you weren't paying attention. You go through all these second thoughts and you blame yourself and self-doubt, and you know, you just never know. And I mean, it's nice to know that you can hire someone and you can tell your story, and that somebody's willing to listen and actually go out there and defend you and, you know, represent you, because it was an accident. Well, once I retained Ross as my attorney, immediately he was very quick to recommend specialists and doctors that I needed to see, and the treatment was excellent and never had any issues. I mean, they were very prompt and addressed the needs, and were very concerned about what my pain level was and what treatment I might need. So I was very happy with everyone that I saw for treatment. I learned a lot. I learned that, you know, there are some times where, you know, things happen, and I was very surprised, and I didn't realize that, you know, I had a case, and the whole process was comforting. It wasn't intimidating. It wasn't scary. And I would have to say that was attributed to you, you know, to the Ross group, Jurowitz group, because they explained everything to me. Well, my advice would be what my brother's advice was to me, and basically, obviously get the medical care, but then obviously talk to an attorney, find out, tell them your story, and then find out if there's something that they could do for you, or if there was a case, if there was neglect, and obviously go out there and get some information. That's what I would tell the next person. No, I want to say that I would totally recommend Ross as an attorney to represent any of my friends, family members. I was treated fairly, and I was treated with a lot of professionalism, so I thank him for the outcome, and I'm very happy.